Alright, before I show you guys the cold start, I'm going to explain why I'm showing this part of the car. The exhaust leak is coming from the flex pipe. Flex pipe bolts onto the turbo, so that's somewhere in between here. Like, it should be one piece, but instead of going through, it comes out the outside of the entire flex pipe. So, saucy guys, the cold start. That it even started. This thing's been sitting here for about a month. You know, I parked over there just in case I had to jump start her, but we're good to go. I'm gonna go to the park, show you guys some pulls. Hop in.
Yes?
No, this ain't gonna happen, sorry. Not in this parking lot, no.
Yes, it is possible to burn rubber in a Volvo. That's as good as she's gonna get in a Volvo. Decent distance. You guys like that one? Slash me a like and be sure to subscribe if you want to see things about this. Bonus burnout.